In this video, I will show you how to build a personal training website using AI. The best part, no prior experience needed. With Hostinger drag and drop website builder, you won't need any coding knowledge. Here's what we'll cover from start to finish. 1. How to get Hostinger website builder. 2. How to create your personal training website using AI. 3. How to add a sticky bar at the top of your website. 4. How to edit the header. 5. How to create a personal training website logo. 6. How to edit the home page of your website. 7. How to edit your website mobile version. 8. How to add legal pages. 9. How to design a website favicon. And remember, your website will load quickly, keeping both of your visitors and Google happy. Without any further ado, let's start with how to get your Hostinger website builder. After visiting Hostinger website, click on Website Builder, then Hostinger Website Builder. Scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, Hostinger offers 3 website builder plans: the premium, the business, and the commerce one. All of these plans comes with a free domain name, free email account, same 150 website pre-made templates, marketing integrations, the 30-day money-back guarantee, and the 24/7 customer support. And with the business plan, you can host up to 10 websites instead of just one website with the premium plan. Unfortunately, AI tools like the image generator, AI writer, also the AI blog post generator, are not available with the premium plan. This is why I recommend you to go with the Hostinger Business Website Builder plan. Click on Choose Plan. Now select your subscription from 1 year, 2 years, or 4 years. With the 4 years, you get 3 months for free and a renewal price per month that is a little bit cheaper compared to 2 years or just 1 year. After that, fill in your email address and password here in order to create your account. Then scroll down to fill in your personal information. But since they are optional, you can skip this step. After that, verify the total you will pay today. Then fill in your credit card information here. And finally, click on Submit Secure Payment. If you want to pay with PayPal, just select it from this list. Then click on Checkout using PayPal. After completing your payment, you will be redirected to your Hostinger account. Now click on Websites, then this Add Website button. Select Hostinger Website Builder. You can go with pre-made website templates, but for this video, I will go with making my personal training website using AI. So click on Start Creating. From this website type list, select your website type, for example, portfolio. Fill in your brand name, for example, Thrive Training. Here, just describe your project or website idea. For example, create a professional and engaging website for my personal training business. The website should have a clean and modern design. My address is this, and my iPhone and my phone is this. As you see, my description is great. You can also see a project description example to get inspired. And under personalization settings, you can select your color. You can go with Surprise Me or pick your colors from this list of colors. Let's go with these colors. You can also pick them manually from here. After that, click on Create a website. This is the result I got using this website description. As you see, this is a simple website header, a welcoming section with 2 or 3 photos, a button, and social links. I got this section with some text, photos, and here it's like a resume, professional training experience, a photo. I think this is an about me section because it has my business address and phone number. This is a testimonials section and the footer section. As you see, I can't hit publish now and use this website, but it's still something good to start with. Now let's start editing this website. Adding a sticky bar at the top of your website is easy. All you need to do is to hover with your mouse over your header section, then click on Add Sticky Bar. Double click this text to replace it with your own. Get fit now, book your free consultation today. To make a part of this text bold, just select it with your mouse and hit bold. To add a link to this phrase, select your text just like that. And let's say your website is thrivetraining.com/booking. Just select your website link, then reselect your text and hit Command V on Mac or Control V on PCs. This underline added to the text means that this part is a link. Let's preview my work live. This is my bold text and this is the link. To make my offer easy to see on my website, let's give this sticky bar background a color. For that, click on Back to Editor, select the sticky bar section and hit Edit section. Click on this white circle and select your color from this tool. Let's go with this yellow color. Now let's preview my work. As you see, it becomes easy to see. Both of the sticky bar and the website header are sticking to the top. To stop the website header from sticking to the top, just go to website header, select it like that, and uncheck this option next to make header sticky. Now let's preview my work. Only the sticky bar is sticking to the top. To edit your website header, first select it with your mouse, then click on Edit Header. A new header settings window pops up. From the Layout tab, you can make the header sticky or not, edit your header link spacing. You can also edit the top and bottom spacing. And here you can select your header style. For example, let's go with logo in the middle. In the Elements tab, you can hide or show elements like logo, social icons, or this button. For the logo, I will skip it because I have a dedicated chapter in this video. And under Style, you can edit the style of the header by making it transparent or give it color. For example, let's go with white. You can also edit the text font of the header and edit the header text color. Let's keep it black. You can also edit your button text like that. For example, book your session. You can link it to a page on your website, an external web address, or a specific section of a page on your website. I will skip this linking step because I don't have my booking your session page ready yet. You can also edit the design of this button, like the fill color. Let's make it yellow. You can also edit the text color. Let's go with black. The text font, the text or button size, the border color, the border width, and lastly the button corner radius. Let's go with this size. You can also edit your social icons design by editing your social links, delete a platform if you don't use it, add a new one if you don't have it, and also edit your icons size or the icons color. Let's keep them black. Now close this window. For your personal training website logo, I will show you how to create it using the free version of Canva. First, click on Create a Design. then select logo. Now search using your niche, for example, personal training. There are free logo designs and paid ones. Let's go with this free design. Double click this text to edit it, for example, drive training. To avoid having a big logo due to this big background square, select just your design element like that and hit download selection. Make sure to use PNG for your file type to have a transparent background and hit download. Now that your logo is downloaded to your computer, let's upload it to your. First, click on your logo. This new header setting window pops up. Click on replace image. Upload your logo from your computer. And click on select. Let's resize this logo like that. Then head back to layout and edit the top and bottom spacing. I think this size is correct or fine. And this is how to create a logo for your personal training website. Now let's start editing our website homepage. First, I will delete these photos. I have a welcoming section design in mind. Let's delete this photo. To edit this big text, just double click it. For example, Ben Smith. I will resize it like that. And to edit this text size, for example, select it first, then click on edit text. You can edit your text color, your text heading, the text font by even uploading one from your computer, the font size to make it bigger. Let's go with 90. You can also make it bold, italic, underlined, or add a link. To add a subtext under this, just click on add element and drag and drop this text element. Place it here. Double click it to rewrite it. Let's go with a heading style paragraph 1. Let's write my text personal trainer. Control or Command V to select all text and make it white. Let's delete these social icons because I don't need them. Keep this button and delete this text. Now to edit the background photo of this section, just click on it first. Click on edit section. You can go with a color like this, an image, or even a video. Click on replace video. You can use a video from this free video library provided by Pixels service. Instead of using a video that will make my website takes longer to load, I will go with a photo. Click on add image. You can upload your photo from your computer or use free images provided by Unsplash service. Let's look for personal trainer. Let's go with this image. The photo is good. To edit this button, you can first resize it like that, smaller, bigger. You can even edit it like that. To edit the button, just double click it. A new window pops up. You can edit the button text, for example, book a free consultation. You can link this button to a page inside your blog, an external web address, or even a specific section of a page on your website. You can also edit the style of the button, like the field color. Let's go with this color. You can also edit the text color. Let's make it black. The text font, size, the border width. Select the border color black, then edit the border width. You can also edit the button corner radius like that. Now close this window and resize your button. I think this is a clean welcoming section. What I want to add below this welcoming section is an about me section. I think this is a good about me section. Instead of creating one from scratch, I will edit this section so I can move it up using this up and down arrows. I can also copy it like that and move up. Select my welcoming section, click on more and hit past section. This is the second version of this about me section. Let's delete the original one like that. First, give this section a big title. For example, about me. My name is Ben. Now, to write an about me section text, you can use this AI tool from Hostinger. First, select this text element, click on AI writer. Now, describe your text. For example, write me an about me section text to introduce me as a personal trainer in my personal training website. Hit create text. As a personal trainer, my passion for fitness and helping others achieve their health and wellness goals is at the core of everything I do. With years of experience in the fitness industry, I have honed my skills and knowledge to provide personalized training programs tailored to each client's unique needs and abilities. This part is great. Click on edit text and select this part. I think this is enough. Let's make it like that to become easy to read. This is a good contact me button. Let's edit this button text. Contact me like that. I think this is enough. What is this? Outstanding result. Let's delete these elements. Here you can edit your image. Click on replace image. Let's make it a little bit smaller. To resize this section, you can use this section height arrows like that. Now that the about me section is ready, let's move to the next one. The section that I will add next is a how it works section. I don't have a specific design idea in my head. This is why I will go with generating my section using AI. First, with your mouse hover between two sections, click on add section. Instead of going with pre-made sections, let's click on generate a section. Describe your section. For example, create me a how it works section for my personal training website to mention personalized exercise programs, guidance, motivation, and support. As you see, my description is great. You can also see a section description example to get inspired. Hit create section. This is the result I got using AI. I think it's good to start with. How it works. Personalized exercise program, guidance, motivation, and support for your fitness journey. I like this grid of photos. I want to add one photo because I have 4 points: personalized exercise program, guidance, motivation, and support. First, delete these elements and make this a little bit smaller. Duplicate it to have the correct size. Now delete them again and duplicate just one to have the exact same size. Resize this white background. Now this grid is the same size, the size and placement. To move them all in one take, just select all the elements and move them freely. I think this is how it works. Section is great. Let's resize this or edit these photos. And these are the photos I selected. Now let's work on the next section. To have a booking system on your website, first you need to have the online store feature enabled inside Hostinger Website Builder. To do that, just click on this little shopping cart and click on Add Store. This is your shop page. A new store link is added to your navigation menu. To delete it, simply go to Pages and Navigation. Click on this circle next to store and hit delete. Same thing with this one. Even after this deletion, your online store on Hostinger is still existing. Now that you have an online store enabled on Hostinger Website Builder, click on Website Builder from the top to switch to your store management area. You are now in your store dashboard. Now click on Appointments and enable appointments. This is your calendar and you can block time or edit availability. Let's start with edit availability. Select the dates you are open for personal training. Pick the time just like that. You can also add a second time slot just like that and hit save. If during some days you will not be available, just click on block time. Select the days you will not be available. This is your unavailable dates. Click on save. After that, click on products in order to create a products to book. Click on this add product button. Select appointment. Now upload your appointment photos from here. Let's go with these two photos. Give your booking product a title. For example, book a 1-hour personal training session with me. For the description, write something like this one. I got it from ChatGPT. Under pricing, select enabled, and for the price type, go with an amount. Fill in your original price, for example, $100, and for the discount price, $80. For categories, I will set it up later. Under time and place, fill in your location, for example, location, my gym, for example. For your appointment duration, you can go with anything above 14 minutes. Let's go with 1 hour, for example, select hours. The appointment condition is optional. You can set a minimum notice time like 1 day, for example. With this condition, no one can book a session on the same day. I will skip it just like that, and you can still edit your availability from here by blocking a day or edit your available days and time. Now click on save. Now that my booking product is available, let's go to categories. Click on add category. This category is required in order to use it to filter my store products to show them on my Hostinger website. You will understand this more in just a minute. Give your category a name, for example, booking products. Click on assign products and select your booking product. Click on save and save again. Now that we finished setting up my booking product and also the categories, click on edit website to return to your website builder. Now let's go to my session. I will add it here. So click on add section, go with an online store, select single product template. To show my last booking product that I've just created, click on edit section. Under product, select your booking product from this list. Close this window. Let's give this section a title. Click on add element, select text. I can't add it on top of this section. What I will do is creating a new section, select add blank section, resize it like that, and move it up with this move up arrow. This is my added section, and click on add element and select text and drag and move it on my new blank section. Book your session. The section that I will work on now is the testimonials section. Even though I already have this one that I can edit, I will create a new one from scratch. Let's delete this one. Same thing with these useless sections. Select this section and hit delete. Click on add section. Go with select testimonials from this list. This is the testimonials template. I like it. Let's rename it. Let's call it testimonials. You can edit the stars like that. Just double click it. You can delete one star or copy and paste a star. Edit the text, the reviewer name and photo. Click on edit image. Now, since this previous section has a white background, I will change the testimonials section background to have some contrast. Click on edit section. Let's go with a color. I think I'm good with this yellow color. Now let's move to the next section, which is a contact me section. Click on add section. You can go with a contact form template like this, but I prefer, instead of using AI, I will go with this pre-made template. Among the things that I will edit is this background photo. Click on edit section, replace image, and go with something like training. Let's go with this photo. You can edit the overlay opacity of your background photo like that. First, edit the section title, for example, contact me, share with this how they can contact you. Now to edit this form, just click on the form and hit edit form. First, you can rename your form, for example, contact me form. Click on save. You can also edit the email address where you will receive notifications after each form submissions, and you can view your form submissions from here. Under the fields tab, you can edit your form fields, for example, the field label, the placeholder text, if a field is required or not. You can also remove a field. For this name field, I will keep it. Now close this field. For the last name, I will delete it, just like that. I don't need, I will ask for an email. For this is the message. I think this form is correct. The name field is required. Same thing with the email and the message. To edit this submit button, just go to button, click on the button text and go with send. Here you can edit the action that will happen after a successful form submission, like showing a message or redirecting them to a page. You can edit your message like that. For example, I will reply at you ASAP. You can also edit or change the button style, for example, the field color, the text size, the text color. Let's go with black, the border and the corner radius. To edit the style of the form fields, just select it from this list, and same thing with the background. Close this window. I think my contact me section is correct. Resize it a little bit. And now let's tackle the footer section. Rename your website, Drive Training. edit your website description. And for the social icons, click on edit social icons to add a new social platform, edit the link of the existing ones, or even delete a social platform if you don't use it. Under style, you can edit the icons size and also the layout. Close this window. For these elements, I will place them here and call them contact, your phone number, and here your email address. And for this subscribe form, I will first delete it and turn this text element to legal pages. For example, privacy policy, resize it. And instead of creating a new text element, I will just duplicate it like that. Now, terms and conditions. Don't forget that till now my website is still offline. To make it online and available to the public, click on this Go Live button. And now that my website is live, click on View Site. And this is my result. This is the header section, the sticky bar, my welcoming section with a big photo, my name, the free consultation button. This is the About Me section. We get this text using AI. This is a Contact Me button. For how it works section, it helps people who don't know how a personal training session works. For people that are ready to make or to purchase or to book their session, they can use this section. Let's try this system. Click on this is the booking or the product booking title, the images. This is the original price, the discounted price. The session time is 1 hour. The location is my gym. This is the product description. Click on book now. A new window pops up. Your visitors can pick their preferred day from this calendar. These 3 days, they can't select them because we are not available. After selecting a day, let's select a time. This is the booking details. Click on book. Unfortunately, we can't accept online orders right now. I forgot to add a payment method to this store. To do that, just close this window, go back to your website and switch to Store Manager. Now click on Store Settings and Payment. The payment methods that you can have on your store are the dLocalGo, PayPal, Stripe, and manual payment. Let's click on Add next to manual payment. Give my manual payment a method, for example, payment after the session. Here you can go in details about your payment instructions. For example, at the checkout page, for example, I accept Venmo, PayPal, and major credit cards at the end of our session. Click on Save. Now let's try to book a session. Pick a date, then pick time, hit book. Fill in the contact information, the email address, the name, the country, the state, confirm booking. Your available payment methods will show up here. Now click on place an order. Thank you for your order. This is an example of the email notification that you will receive after each order. This is the email or title, the order number. You can click this button to view the order details on your website. This is a summary of the order, the date, the customer information, and the used payment method. To manage your bookings, just go back to your store management area, go to appointments, and check your calendar. This is the title or the service title, the price, the duration, the event details, and the client details. A little detail that I forgot is linking my book your session button to this session. First, select your section you want your button to jump to, then click on edit section and go to this anchor tab. Give your section a name, for example, booking. Now close this window. Go to your button and select it. Click on edit header and go to style. It's a little bit hidden. Now select the button to edit it and below link to select section, then your booking section. Same thing with this button. Click on edit button under link to select section and select your booking section. Now let's update my website and test my button online. Let's click this book your session. As you see, I'm jumped automatically to this section. Same thing with this photo, click. I was smoothly scrolled to this book your session section. Now that I've completed editing the homepage of my website, let's verify the mobile version of the same page. To do that, click on this smartphone from the top and start verifying your website mobile version. As you see, this logo is too much bigger. Let's resize it like that. Close this window. Place. Oh, let's start with my big first name, and the text is much bigger than this button size. Let's make the button a little bit bigger, just like that. Keep scrolling. This is my about me. Where is my about section title? Let's verify the desktop version. I don't know why this about me does not show up. I think it's misplaced. So, or move it up here. Move this to the center. Contact me. How it works. How it works. It's too much messed up. So it's too much work. I will redo it from the start. For this how it works section, instead of using a design that uses too many separate elements like photos, white backgrounds, and text, go with add a new section, and I will use this template inside projects. I will go with this one. And before start editing and losing my time, let's preview it in my mobile version. As you see, this is the first photo, the title, the text, same thing. Okay, that's good. Now return to the desktop. Now let's move this text, give it the black color or the white color, because I will go. Let's make all of this text white because I will go with a dark background. Now let's copy the color code of this section background. This is the color code, copy it, select the white section, click on edit section, then paste your color code here, hit enter, and now I have this. Let's copy, same thing with this section. Now I will delete this section. Let's edit the titles. Let's edit the photos. And this is my images selection. Let's check the mobile version. Now the how it works section is correct. Last photo. Book your session. Let's center this title. This is the product photo, the title, the details, and book now. And this is the testimonials section. And lastly, the contact me section before this footer. Let's resize this section. Now the mobile version of your website should be correct. And this is how to optimize your website for visitors from mobile. Adding legal pages to your website is easy. First, go to Pages and Navigation. Click on Add Page, and from this list, select Privacy Policy. Select this template, fill in your company name, Thrive Training LLC, and click on Add Page. And this is how to create your first legal page. Same thing with the terms and condition page. Click on Pages and Navigation, Add Page, then select Terms and Condition. Click on this template, fill in your company name, and click on Add Page. As you see, my legal pages automatically added to this navigation menu. To delete them from this place, just click on Pages and Navigation and drag and move your legal pages here under Hidden from Navigation. Same thing with this Privacy Policy page. Now let's link these legal pages to the footer of my website. First, double click this Privacy Policy text and click on link. Select link to page, then select your Privacy Policy page. Click on save, and same thing with this terms and conditions. And hit save. Now update your website and let's view it live. Now click on Privacy Policy. It works great. Same thing with the terms and conditions. A very little detail that my website still lacks is a little favicon here. To give your website in Hostinger Builder a favicon, just go to your website builder, then click on Website Settings, go to General Settings and hit favicon. If you don't have your favicon designed yet, you can use this little website. It's called favicon.io. Click on Generator from the top, give it a little text, for example, T for Thrive Training. You can pick your colors here. Let's go with yellow and black. You can preview it here or directly in this browser tab. I'm not sure what colors my website uses. The yellow and dark blue. Let's reverse them. I'm satisfied with this result. Click on download. Hit your downloaded file to decompress it. And now click on add image, upload files, locate your favicon on your computer and double click it. Click on select and don't forget to first save your changes here, then update your website. Click on view site and here is my well-designed website